Hi. As I mentioned in the first video, there is a possibility to generate tartan patterns in a random way, but at the same time we have control over it. The whole secret is in the mathematical formula that we can paste it into the value node and then combine it the way we want. For example, this formula will generate random integers from 0 to 50, we can of course change this range. Now let's create some of these nodes and see what patterns we can get this way. I use the tartan automatic.blend file. At this point I'm changing the animation frames. As we can see, some patterns are very interesting, but we can go one step further and apply a similar method to colors, but in this case we need to change the range of the formula. At the same time, it should be noted that random values change not only when we change frames, but also when we combine nodes, etc. So if we want to keep the patterns that are generated, we should either render a range of frames as a sequence of images, or take screenshots of the patterns that we find interesting and then recreate them using the manual method that we have seen before. If you have any questions, please write them in a comment or on the forum. Thank you for watching.